Okay, short update. As luck would have it, I dropped the Sabinal point as I was trying to photograph and do the thumbnail, and I snapped off about a 30 seconds of an inch off the tip. So I reworked the tip. So it's not that noticeable, but some of you guys have eyes that are a lot better than mine, and you can notice right away that the tip is a little bit different. So just be aware. Yeah, I fumble fingered the arrangement on the thumbnail, and this fell off the table here, and probably went tip down and snapped just a 32nd of an inch off the tip, so I had to rework it. Just a short update, no big deal, but it just bugged me a lot, so I had to show you. And it bugs me a lot if I have to modify one of the auction items. If I ever have to modify the auction item after the auction posting, I'll let you know. Okay, I don't think I've done that many times, but on this particular one, that bugged me so much that I had to make the update, even though it may not be noticeable. Okay, so yeah, that's it. 4Y07 in the auction. A little bit of tip ding that got repaired. All right, there you go.